ranging in length from 25 to 32 centimeters. Rollers look like stocky, short-legged jays and are predominantly blue or violet in color. They have a distinctive courtship flight, during which they dive from extreme height, rocking and rolling while making loud, harsh calls. Inhabiting warm regions from Europe and Africa to Australia, it is time for us to introduce you to 5 of the most beautiful rollers in the world. Number 5. Found widely from West Asia to the Indian subcontinent, the Indian roller is best known for its aerobatic displays of males during the breeding season. Feeding mostly on insects and small reptiles, as many as 40 birds of this species have been seen to perch on a 70-meter stretch of electric wires, as they are attracted to swarms of winged termites. However, their habit of feeding near roadsides sometimes results in collisions with traffic, where a decline in the numbers of these birds seen along roadsides in northern India has been noted. But still, with the large population within its range, this species is classified as least concern by the IUCN. Besides chosen as the state bird by several states in India, the Indian roller is sometimes associated with Hindu legends. It is said to be sacred to Vishnu, and used to be caught and released during festivals such as Dussehra, or the last day of Durga Puja. Also, adding its chopped feathers to grass and feeding them to cows was believed to increase their milk yield. Number 4. Also known as dark roller or Oriental broad-billed roller, the Oriental dollar bird can be found from Australia to Korea, Japan, and India. It is dark brown, but this is heavily washed with a bluish-green sheen on the back and wing coverts, and may resemble Minos in flight. But it has longer wings, larger head, and more powerful, less frantic flight. Preferring open wooded areas with hollow-bearing trees to build nests in, this species is most commonly seen singing with a distinctive, upright silhouette on a bare branch high in a tree, from which it hawks for insects. Even though the population of this species is suspected to be in decline due to ongoing habitat destruction, it is still frequent and common throughout most of its range. Number 3. The Pittalike ground roller is endemic to the eastern half of Madagascar, from the extreme north to the southern edge, and has the widest distribution of any member of the ground rollers. It also has a wider range of habitats that it is prepared to occupy, being found in all natural rainforest types on the island. This gorgeous bird is generally non-migratory, but changes in numbers linked to the weather have been noted, so some undescribed movements may be happening. The Pittalike ground roller is terrestrial and feeds on the ground, taking a range of prey, particularly insects and small reptiles. It hunts by standing motionless and watching, followed by short runs to take a new position, and once prey is located, it sallies or runs toward it to take it. Number 2. Found in southern Africa, the Rackettailed Roller is so named for the conspicuous elongated outer feathers on its tail, which have long streamers ending in paddle-shaped tips. It is a territorial species, driving away intruders by rocketing from a height with a raucous screech, rolling from side to side as it levels off, before using its momentum to rise to a perch. Similar to other members of rollers, this species hunts for prey from a perch in the mid-story region of woodland. When it spots something edible on the forest floor, it swoops down to grab the prey, where the diet consists mainly of insects and small lizards. This roller is usually a solitary bird or occurs in pairs, but may form small groups of 6 or 7 birds. The population trend of this beautiful bird is thought to be declining because of loss of the forest habitat, especially Miombo and Mopane woodland. However, no particular threats have been identified, and the IUCN has assessed the bird's conservation status as being of least concern. Number 1. Widely distributed in sub-Saharan Africa, and is a vagrant to southern Arabian Peninsula, the Lilacbreasted Roller's range extends from the Red Sea coast of Eritrea through East Africa to Southern Africa and northeastern South Africa, where it prefers open woodland and savanna, and it is, for the most part, absent from treeless places. Usually found alone or in pairs, this bird perches conspicuously at the tops of trees, poles, or other high vantage points from where it can spot insects, small birds, and rodents moving about on the ground. According to the IUCN, the lilac-breasted roller is of least concern because of their large range and stable population size.